Hey traders! Today we will discuss how to use vertical and horizontal lines on your TradingView charts. So, let's get started. The vertical line tool allows you to mark specific points in time on the chart. To add a vertical line, click the icon and then click at the exact time on the chart you want to mark. Vertical lines are useful for highlighting news events, marking open/close times, or labeling other timeline-specific events on the chart. The horizontal line tool lets you mark specific price levels. Click the horizontal line icon and then click at the price level you want a horizontal line. Horizontal lines are great for highlighting support and resistance zones, breakout levels, entry prices and more. Use vertical and horizontal lines together to box off significant areas on your chart. Deleting lines when done keeps your chart clean and organized. Alright traders, start using vertical and horizontal lines to enhance your analysis. Mark the key times and prices on your TradingView charts. I'll see you in the next video.